waiting to get a hold of one of the investigators at Fox 8 News. Now check this out. I've been trying to get a hold of an investigator for 2 months, 2 whole months. I've been trying to get a hold of an investigator. And not just at Fox 8 News, at Channel 9 News. Yes, when I call in, they're so quick to forward me to one of the investigators' voicemail so that you can leave a message and never get a call back. There's no reason why it should take this long to get a hold of an investigator. But leaving a message has not been effective. I've even had them leave a message on a Galaxy desk once before. And I'm trying to get this guy here now to kind of do the same thing, because it's at a point right now where they're able to tamper with voicemails. That's kind of part of the reason that these folks aren't getting back with me. I've even sent Ed a video via email of what this situation encompasses. Now, outside of Ed, I've tried to contact Carl Monday, and I've really been trying to get a hold of Carl Monday. And I actually started reaching out to him prior to reaching out to Ed. And it's been very unsuccessful. I'm going to attach some photos and screenshots. So that didn't go well. He actually picked back up and hung up. So I'm going to try Channel 19. Channel 19 Action News. Let's see where this goes. Oh, Carl Monday's mailbox is full.
Star R. To transfer to another extension, press star T.
That's the first time that's happened.
Press star W.
It's probably me.
Please hang up. Or to disconnect Audix, press star
Filling up his mailbox. Okay, so he has another number. Let's try his cell. Bear with me.
Hi, this is Carl Monday Investigations. Give me an idea what you're calling about, and if you can, leave a number where I can call you back. Thanks.
09, I greatly appreciate it.
If you're satisfied with the message, press 1. To listen to your message, press 2. To message review.
Hi, Paul. Cybercrime. And
If you're satisfied with the
Okay,
message,
I'm leaving.
press 1. To listen to your message, to send your message
Yet
with
another
normal delivery, press 1. To send your message with
urgent
urgent delivery, press 2.
voicemail.
Thank you. Your message has been sent.
2 months. 2 months. Exactly how you know everyone's connected.